Okay, be honest, are we living in a movie right now? If we are, I demand a slow motion scene. Captain Pia says sunscreen and confidence. You sound way too official. Why walk when you can dance? Because the boat is moving. We sound incredible! We sound illegal. Louder! Louder! He sounds incredible! Why did the wind just get rude? The sky is side-eyeing us. Guys, that cloud is moving fast! Clouds don't sprint. Nope, that's a villain cloud. Why is it shaped like doom? Absolutely not! Okay, change of plans. But the storm is everywhere! I'd rather swim! We have to turn back. It's raining sideways! Why is it aggressive? I'm sliding, help! Inside, right now! Everyone alive? Physically, yes. Emotionally, no. I have regrets. I have trauma. Wait, is it stopping? Don't jinx it. Told you, dramatic but survivable. That was low-key epic. Same trip next weekend? With helmets. Best memories come with chaos. And snacks. Mostly snacks.